Hey guys, this video I'm going to show you how to make a diagnosis of Mingmen fire deficiency from the pulse. And how do I fix the pulse? Check it out. You can dig deeper.
Deeper, yeah.
You can feel it now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You can't feel it at all. Even though you go very hard into it, there's no pulse, right?
No.
On the same position here, between the same position here and here. Okay,
Yeah.
put 2 needles and we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah? Very slightly, but there's pulse now.
Yeah.
After this needle, this is called Szenan-Balance. And this is pericardium 6. We bring up the pulse, kidney yang. It's even stronger now, more obvious now.
Oh, okay.
You try it again. You can go from the top and slowly go down.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Stronger, right?
Yeah.
Much stronger, right?
Much.